subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to understand basic logic gates, which are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. In our previous class we have discussed the definition of logic gate. What is meant by a logic gate and the definition of the logic gate has been clearly explained in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist, and our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, there are three basic gates, which are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And in our previous class, from the definition of the previous class, what does the logic gate defines? A logic gate is a device which is capable of making decisions. So how that is going to make decision is, it is based upon the design of the gate, based upon the logic of that gate. Now coming to our first gate, which is AND gate. So what this AND gate is, and the AND gate is represented by this diagram. So this is the way in which an AND gate is represented. Okay, now coming to this AND gate, what this AND gate, the logic behind the AND gate is, the output assumes to be 1. So the AND gate is going to produce an output of 1. When it is going to produce an output of 1 is the logic of the gate. Only if each one of its input is 1. This is an AND gate with 2 input. This is a 2 input AND gate and it is going to produce 1 input. Every AND gate is going to have 2 or more number of inputs, and it will have only 1 output. So this AND gate, this device is capable of producing an output of 1 only if all the inputs are 1s. Here we are having only 2 inputs. If both the inputs are 1s, then only this device is going to produce a 1. That is the logic of this AND gate, and which means that this device is designed in such a way, the parts in the devices are arranged in such a way because it is going to produce an output of 1 only if all the inputs are 1s. Okay, so this is what we call it as AND gate. And the operation, the symbol used for the operation of AND gate is dot symbol, A and B. So these A and B are called as input variables. This is an input variable, which means this is the input to which we can produce either 0 or 1. This is the input to which we can produce either 0 or 1. Okay, so this is what we call it as an AND gate. And the truth table for the AND gate is, so what is meant by a truth table? So the truth table is a table which lists all the possible combinations of input variables, and the corresponding outputs is called as a truth table. So for all the given the inputs, for all the combination of inputs, which means, for example, if there is an AND gate with 2 inputs, how many different combinations of inputs are possible? So the discussion about this, for example, if you have 2 bits, how many combinations are possible? The number of combinations that are possible are 2 power n. We are having 2 bits, which is 2 power t, which is 4 different combinations are possible. Similarly, this concept is discussed in our number system. In the introduction to in the binary number system, we have discussed about these concepts. If you have 2 inputs, the number of combinations that are possible are 4. 2 power 2, which is 4. So a truth table is a table which lists the possible combinations of input variables. For example, if you take a 2 input truth table for 2 input device, 2 input AND gate, so for all the combinations of A and B, so all the combinations of A and B means 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the 4 combinations that are possible with 2 input AND gate. For all these combinations, what are the outputs that are generated? The output that is generated for each and every combination, if you are able to represent it in a table, that table is what we call it as truth table. So what is the output? So this is going to generate, AND gate is going to generate an output if all the inputs are 1. Or all the inputs are 1? No, it is not. So these are the 4 combinations that are possible with these 2 inputs. So 0 0, it is going to produce a 0. 0 1, because it will produce a 1 if all the inputs are 1s. Is it all the inputs are 1s? No. So it is a 0. All the inputs are 1s? No. It is a 0. All the inputs are 1s? Yes. Both the inputs are 1s. So that is the reason why it is going to generate 1. For example, if you take a 3 input device, 3 input device means this AND gate is going to have 3 inputs and the input variables are A, B, C. And what is the truth table for this? It is A, B, C. And for each and every combination of ABC, if you are able to produce the output, if you are able to represent the outputs, that table is what we call it as truth table. Now, how many combinations are possible with 3 inputs? 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8 possibilities. So what are those possibilities? 0 0 1, 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So if you take 3 inputs, are all the inputs are 1s? So when this device is going to produce a 1, this device is going to produce a 1 if all the inputs are 1s. Otherwise it is going to produce a 0. So is it all the inputs are 1s? No. So it is a 0. It is a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And this is the only input for which this device will produce a 1. So that is the logic behind an AND gate. The device called AND gate is going to produce a 1 if all the inputs are 1s. Similarly, there is another gate. These are the basic gates. So from these basic gates, the other gate is OR gate. So what is meant by an OR gate? What is the logic behind the OR gate? OR gate, the output assumes to be 1. The OR gate will produce an output of 1 if one of its input is 1. If one of the input is 1, then it is going to produce an output of 1. Okay, so this is a 2 input OR gate. The inputs of the OR gate can be 2 or more and the output is 1 output. So this device has a capability to produce a 1. This device has this is what we call it as a logic gate, and this device has a capability to produce an output of 1 if and only if it has any one of the inputs as 1. If any one of the input is 1, then it is going to produce an output of 1. For example, if you try to create the truth table for this device with 2 inputs, the truth table is the input combinations that are possible with 2 inputs is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So what is the output of these inputs? If the combination of inputs are 0 0, what is the output? It is going to be 0, because this device is going to produce 1 if it has at least 1 1. If it is having 1 input as 1, then it will produce a 1. Will it produce a 1? Yes, because one of the input is 1. Will it produce a 1? Yes, it will produce a 1 because one of the input is 1. Will it produce a 1? Yes, it will produce a 1 because both the inputs it need at least one input to be 1. If all the inputs are 1, then also it is fine, but it should need at least 1. There should be at least one input to be 1 to produce an output of 1. Similarly, if you take a 3 input OR gate, 3 input OR gate means the input variables are A, B, C. So there are 3 inputs and it is going to produce 1 output, A, B, C, and the output is X. So what are the combinations? 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So what is the outputs of this? 0 0 0 means not even one single input is 1, so it is going to generate a 0. 0 0 1, one of the input is 1, so it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for the OR gate for 3 inputs. Now coming to our next gate, which is NOT gate. So what this NOT gate is, apart from these 2 gates, it will have only one input and it will generate one output, and it is also called as an inverter. So what is the job of this NOT gate is, it is going to complement the input. If the input is 0, the complement of 0 is 1. So the NOT gate is going to produce the complement of input. The NOT gate will have only one input and it is going to produce only one output. So this is the way in which, and the operation of the NOT gate, OR gate is A plus B. So this is the symbol that is used for the operation of OR gate, which means 0 plus 1 means it is going to be 1. So this is the operation. Similarly, the AND gate operation is 0 dot 0. Dot means it is an AND gate operation which is produce an output of 0. For example, 1 dot 1 means 1 and 1. So this is what the symbol used to represent an AND gate which produces 1. Similarly, plus is the symbol which is used for operation of OR gate, and NOT gate which uses complement. So what the NOT gate will produce? For the input, it is going to produce the complement. A bar represents the complement. If A is 0, so the truth table of this is, it is going to have only one input and it is going to produce one output, which is A bar. For only one output, one input, it is 2 power 1. The number of combinations that are possible, it is 2 power 1, which is 2. So which is, if there is a 0, it is going to produce a 1. If there is a 1, it is going to produce a 0. This is the truth table for NOT gate, and the NOT gate is also called as an inverter. So the job of the NOT gate is to produce the complement of the given input. The input is 0, it is going to produce an 1. If the input is 1, it is going to produce a 0. That is the job of a NOT gate. So these are the basic gates, and these are called as the basic gates because you take any circuit in the computer or any circuit in the electronic devices, those circuits can be generated by using these gates. By using these 3 gates, we can produce any logic circuit. So these are called as the basic gates, which are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.